Gosh, okay, so I have a microphone in, so that should work. So I'm on the bus with my friend Josh. We're going to Chicago for a school trip, and, well, we're kind of there, right?
There's two giants.
Yeah. So, should be about 3 hours till we get there. This might be poor audio because there's everyone else on the bus. So, see you when we get there. Just got into Indiana and we're gonna stop in 2 minutes. Or no, 3 minutes. We're watching Stranger Things. Stranger Things. So you probably can't hear it, but copyright issues.
Look at that. Would you look at that? It's a tricycle.
What the heck?
Say you don't know me, I recognize my face. Say you don't care who goes to that kind of place. Knee deep in the hoopla, sinking in your fight. Too many runaways, eating up the night. Marconi plays the bomb.
Hey Josh, wrap the bean.
Oh, what?
You wanna go under it?
We built this city on rock and roll. We built this city. We built this city on rock and roll. Built this city. We built this city.
This is exciting. Some say Mr. Bean still lives here.
Eric, Eden, salad.
Let's get it.
That's me. Be a good example. Eat your salad. Wait, that was chicken.
Josh. Hi, Josh. Aiden doesn't like to be in this. Sorry, Aiden. You want to be in it?
Either. I don't have to like chicken.
Yeah, probably.
Aiden, right behind you.
Get it. That's it. Okay, Brady. Let's go. Brady. Video. Record. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's do that.
So, what's going on right now is we just finished School of Rock. We just finished School of Rock, and we're gonna drive to Indiana, stop there, and go back to school. And then we're gonna drop Gabe off at his house, and I'm gonna go home. So it sounds simple. It's gonna take about 3 hours. So see you in 3 hours-ish, maybe 2 hours, or I'll see you in Indiana. Eric gave me this thing from Rainforest Cafe called Bean Boozled. And basically what you do is there's a spinner and a wheel. And what you do is you spin the wheel, and whatever lands on it, you eat on it. And it's either a good bean or a bad bean. So I'm gonna try it out. Spin it. I got coconut or baby wipes. So take that. Yeah, I think I got baby wipes. I'm gonna do it again. So I got top banana or pencil shaving. That looks like this one. Oh. I think I got pencil shaving. Jesus. I spilled some beans spilled. Spoiled. I think it was just like 2. Okay. Keep going. Pink, pink. What is it?
Why did you pick pink? It's rotten egg. It's kind of dark.
Rotten egg or
Buttered popcorn.
buttered popcorn. What do you get? Wait. When I say so, look up at the camera and say, that's some good popcorn, okay? 3, 2, 1. Wow. MLG Josh. Okay, 3 hours later. I'm so tired.
Almost back.
Hooray.
Oh, I'm so tired.
I know, it's been 3 hours. It's almost 10:20 on a school night. Such a rebel. This might be the last video. Eric's tired, Josh is tired, I'm tired, everyone on the bus is tired. I think
Ashton's sick.
I think he might be sick, I don't know. Or not feeling well. We all just want to go home and do stuff. So this will be kind of a short video. So hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe. Hopefully do more of these. But we'll do a little more, hopefully. So this will be Brady and Josh signing out for now. See ya. Okay, so I'm in my room right now, and before this video ends, I'm going to go over YouTube schedules. Or YouTube, my YouTube schedule. So I know I've been posting videos like every other day, and I come up with a schedule. So car block episodes are gonna be every other Friday, while normal videos are gonna be the Friday between the car block and Monday. So it'll be 2 videos a week-ish. I guess you'll see if you keep in touch.